Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video I will be doing my May Nailboxy unboxing. So let's get on with the video. I'm so excited, y'all. Okay, so I haven't opened it, as you guys know. I haven't opened it, so I'm so excited to see what I got. I'm so excited. Oh my god, these little scissors. Okay, so we did get the bigger box, I believe. Yeah, this is the bigger box. Oh my god, yeah, I'm so excited. So this is the May box for this year, 2020. Oh my god, I love their packaging. It is everything. I'm so excited. I got this in the mail, I believe, like 2 days ago. Or a day ago, yesterday maybe. I don't quite remember, but I'm so excited. Oh, and also they were doing like a little game, like trivia game or whatever. So yeah, I won me some crystals. Speaking of crystals, look at my nails, y'all. I feel like I need a new set already. Look how grown. Well, they don't look that grown, but they're getting there. As you can see, I have all my crystals on except for my thumb. My thumb is just, look, I have acrylic under. It looks a mess, but they're still on. We're still together. So, oh my god, y'all, I'm so excited. Woo! I see a fan brush. So excited. Okay, so the first thing I see is this fan brush, which is so cute. Look how it's like colorful. That's so cute. I'm gonna open this, or actually I'm gonna take everything out and then I'm gonna open it. So we also did receive some discount codes for Daily Charme and the Luminary nail systems. So these are the codes if you guys want to use them. Oh, this is cute. It has like colors, I guess. And then this one's just like like instructions on the application. There's something in the back though. Ooh, so excited. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is a nail foil, and it's from Red Iguana. Oh my god, y'all, this nail foil is so pretty. Ooh, look at that grit. Oh, the crystals. So like I said, I did win. So it only comes with 2, 4, 6, 8. Yeah, 10 pieces. So I won either one in a game that they did on Instagram, and I won me some extra crystals. So oh my god, y'all, I'm so excited. So you only get a 10 piece in your May box. Oh my god, and also Daily Charme gave us some little charms. This is so cute for like summer. That is so cute. I'm not sure what this is, but that is cute. That's pretty cute. Oh, okay, so this is the Luminary, so this is the base color in piece, which is what both of these are in. So this is in a pot form, and then this is in a bottle, which I kind of want to open now. Just see the color. That is pretty. It's a really, really pretty nude. That's really pretty. Oops. Oh my god, yeah. I just spilled it right there. Oh my god. So sorry. Wasting product. But it's okay. So then here, I believe this is the last thing. This is the Daily Charme Stay Put Jelly Jewelry Gel in a Tube. So I'm guessing it's like a gel to adhere your like charms. I think that is it. And it is. So let me put the box to the side. Show you everything that I got. So besides the crystals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got a total of 10 items. And then obviously I got my extra crystals because I did win one of the games. So these are some flames. Some Swarovski flame crystals. Which, good thing I got these because I needed some more. So the first thing I'm going to open is this pot in a gel. Or this gel in the pot, whatever. So it comes with a lid. Oh, sorry. I wonder if a lot of product, because it looks like it's like deep. Yeah, oh my god, I can never open these. Okay. Oops. That looks really pretty. That's a really pretty like pinky nude. That's really, really pretty. Oh, look at that. That's really pretty. So obviously I'm not gonna swatch it, but I wonder if this is how you cure this, or the instructions for this. But it says prep the nail, apply the Comet primer, apply a thin layer of multi-flex, and cure 30 seconds. I wonder which is which. Oh, it's this. This is the multi-flex gel and cure for 30 seconds. Apply another thin layer. Do not cure. Flow a large bead of product down the nail, letting it melt into a slip layer. Return hand upside down and to create apex. Let the gel settle and cure for 60. Okay, so it's giving you instructions on how to use this product, which I think is so nice of them, because some people do struggle with applying gel. So oh my god, yeah. So that's a really pretty color. I'm actually gonna put in here a swatch for y'all to show y'all how the color actually looks. So it would be right here. And then the next product I do want to open is this fan brush. I believe this is what it's called, the fan brush. But oh my god, yeah, this is perfect for like glitters, for when you do sugar nails. I believe that's what they're called. Okay, open it. Or like when you're applying your crystal pixies. It's so soft to like dust off the sides. this would be good for that. Oh, look at the handle though. It's so pretty. Put this aside. Okay, I want to see the grit on this file though. It's really pretty. I got it, I believe it comes in pink and gold, so I got gold, which I love. I love pink, but not as much. So okay, so this does have a nice grit, and obviously this side is glitter, so it does have like a nice grit to shape the nail, which I like. I wonder what grit this is, but it doesn't say. So you get a nail file, and yeah, I kind of want to open the foil. I love using foils, especially like with these really pretty designs and stuff. And this one's a really pretty like marble design. So sorry. That's really pretty. It's like, I don't know how to describe it, y'all. Oh, and it's like really long. It's like really, really long. I'm not gonna undo all of it, but I feel like that's really pretty. Look at that. It's beautiful. So this is from Iguana. And y'all, comment down below what you guys think of the hands. I really, really, really want to purchase a hand, but I'm not sure like which hand to purchase, or like which one's like better quality, because I know she has 2 different types of hands. So comment down below if you guys own a hand, or if you guys know which one's like better or what, and let me know. So this right here is the charms that it came with, and it comes with 2 pieces. So it comes with this star and like a little turquoise bead. Now I don't know what this is. This is like, I'm guessing just like a design, like a triangle design. Like, I don't know, you could probably like, oh god, you could probably put it like in the middle or something and make a design off that. It's definitely something different. I don't know, I wish it would come with like 2 of the same ones, but you know, that's fine. My clients don't really ask for charms, so it's good to have some. Now this is the Stay Put Jelly Jewelry Gel in a tube. So I'm guessing it's like a adhesive to like the jewelry. So it comes with 5 milliliters, and it doesn't have any instructions, but let's open it. Okay, let me see how like the consistency is. It's really like, it doesn't look thick at all, but I wonder like if you just cure it, or like does it just dry on its own. So I'm gonna just see if it dries, or if you need to cure it, because it doesn't say. So I'm really excited about these crystals, y'all. Excited. Oh my god, you guys can see the products. I'm over here filming and you guys can't even see the products. But I think you do have to cure it. I think you do. See it? It's like right there. Yeah, I think you do have to cure it because it's not drying. So I'm gonna cure it with my UV LED LED right there. So I'm just gonna put this side, okay? So you guys can see me cure it. So I think I'm gonna cure it for like 30 seconds and just to see what happens. So I did cure for 60 seconds. And yep, it's tacky, but it is dry. I'm going to cure it for another 30 seconds just so it could be a minute. Okay, so I cured it for another 30 seconds and it is completely dry. I don't know if you guys could see. Like, if I put my finger, like, it doesn't come off and it is dry. It is still a little bit tacky, but that's fine. I mean, I just created a little lump on my nail. So I did cure. So you do have to cure this, which, I mean, it does come with a lot of product, just depending if you do like charms and stuff. So I would definitely do a video on this, trying this out to see how long it lasts. So I'd have to say this is a good box. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but I did get my Swarovski crystals. I did get the gel and the one in the pot, the brush, the foil, the file, and the gel. The only thing I'm not really a big fan of is the charms. I just wish it would come with like the same one. And I do like that they included some coupon codes so I could order more charms off Daily Charm. I've never ordered off Daily Charm, so now that I have a code, I'm for sure going to order some stuff. I did like the foil, the crystals, and this color. This is a really pretty color. And same with the file. It's so cute and it even has like a nice grit to it. So make sure y'all go get y'all's May boxes because I'd say it was a good box. Especially if you're like starting out, you're getting your gel, some charms and foil and a brush and file, which is good if you're starting out or whatever the case may be. And I like this box. I have more to add to my collection of gels. I don't really use gel. I use acrylic strictly. Same with my charms. I don't really use charms, but I still have some for my clients that want like a variety. I do use foil, so that is good to add to my collection. I don't have nothing like that, so that's really pretty. And same with this jewelry gel in a tube, which I can't wait to try out more. So other than that, I would have to say I did like this May box, and I suggest y'all go buy y'all's. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And comment down below if you got your May box. And see you guys in the next video.